Hello and welcome to another review. We have here the NutriBullet 1000 series. My cheap blender from Kmart. Well, the seals kinda aren't so good anymore, and anyway, I decided to get this. I'll see if it gets a job, we'll unbox it, we'll see if it fits my shake, and we'll go from there. Alright, let's open it up. So, inside we get little welcome pack, instructions, some safety, and then, alright, we have the actual NutriBullet, so I'll just lay. Okay, so there we have it. Inside we have a little lid, we have a 900 milliliter cup, we have a smaller, what's the size on that one? I think 500 milliliter cup, and the actual blender unit, and the seal for the blades. So go give it a try now, give it a wash, and give it a test and see if it fits everything. One thing I already don't like is there's no real measurement markers on this cup, so I have no idea how high it's going to be filled, so I'm going to have to use something else to do that. Oh, we'll start now. So already I can tell I'm not going to be able to make a full serving of this shake, which is 2 scoops. That is 1 scoop. And to be honest, that is a lot, really. That is pretty hard to drink anyway, so maybe breaking it into 2 smaller shakes is not a bad idea. Alright, we'll start now. Actually, it fits 1 shake perfectly. Like, it literally cannot fit anymore. We'll see how this goes. Damn, this thing is loud! Okay, that was a bad idea. It started to kind of squirt out the bottom. It kind of forced itself out. So, yeah, do not fill it up that full. Just do not. Okay, let's do this again, but with an adequate amount of shake. I didn't realize that said max. It's another day, and it's time for another shake. But this is a half serve, so I guess you can't make a whole one in here. But that's fine. It's totally fine. It's really hard to drink a whole shake in one sitting anyway. So, all right, we'll make it. Okay, it should be on nice and tight. Seems good. Again, I'll insert and twist. All right, insert and twist. There we go. I'll just let that sit for a while. And there we have it. A delicious, nutritious shake. Nice.